Making a first impression is not only important for individuals, but it is also very important for businesses. That's why, as a business owner or commercial building owner, you need to enhance both the interior and exterior of your commercial building. Landmark Construction Crew is a BPI certified commercial remodeling contractor in Los Angeles that has been remodeling commercial buildings such as apartment complexes, office buildings, industrial buildings, schools, health institutions, and retail outlets for over 10 years. Remodeling of your commercial space has several advantages, such as increasing your property value, increasing energy efficiency, more cost-effective than new construction, attracts more clients, provides a fresh business profile, and also improves employee performance. Landmark Construction Crew provides a number of commercial remodeling services, such as full commercial remodeling, commercial kitchen remodel, commercial flooring, commercial roofing, commercial windows, commercial painting, and commercial doors. We offer affordable commercial remodeling services in Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley, and Orange County. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.